your trusted source for the latest motorcycle news, updates, and in-depth reviews. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 2025 Honda CRF 300L, a dual-sport machine that continues to blend off-road capability with on-road practicality. Whether you're a seasoned trail rider or a commuter looking for a lightweight adventure bike, the CRF 300L has likely been on your radar. So, let's break down what's new in the 2025 model, what makes it so popular in the dual-sport category, and why it might be your next favorite ride. Overview of the CRF 300L Lineage. Before we talk about the 2025 model, it's important to understand the roots of the CRF 300L. Originally introduced as the CRF 250L, Honda revamped it in 2021 with a larger engine, lighter chassis, and upgraded suspension to meet growing demand in the dual-sport world. That update gave birth to the CRF 300L, which balanced improved torque and agility with legendary Honda reliability. Since then, this motorcycle has become a go-to choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking for versatility in a lightweight package. Now, in 2025, Honda continues to refine the formula. With subtle enhancements rather than major overhauls, the CRF 300L is evolving without losing the qualities that made it a standout. Let's look at what's new this year. What's new in 2025? The 2025 Honda CRF 300L doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it does refine it. This year's updates focus on rider comfort, suspension tuning, and minor cosmetic enhancements. Honda has also made adjustments to comply with global emissions standards without compromising performance, a crucial balance in today's market. One of the most notable upgrades is the revised suspension damping, offering better control over rough terrain while maintaining comfort on the pavement. There's also improved seat padding, aimed at making longer rides more comfortable. A small change that will be appreciated by anyone who's spent hours in the saddle. Aesthetically, the 2025 model gets new graphics and color options, with bolder styling inspired by Honda's motocross lineup. While these updates may seem minor, they give the CRF 300L a fresh, modern look that aligns well with its dual-sport versatility. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF 300L is the 286 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine, which carries over from the previous year. This engine continues to deliver a perfect balance of low-end torque and high-end power. With around 27 horsepower and 19 pound-foot of torque, it's not a speed demon, but that's not what this bike is about. It's about predictable power, linear throttle response, and exceptional fuel efficiency, everything you want in a dual-sport. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox that's geared smartly for both street and trail use. Whether you're climbing steep dirt trails or cruising city streets, the CRF 300L offers smooth transitions between gears and a manageable power band that keeps riders in control. Also worth noting is the slipper clutch, which was introduced in earlier models and remains in the 2025 version. It reduces clutch lever effort and minimizes wheel hop during aggressive downshifts, making it easier and safer for newer riders, and more efficient for those pushing the limits off-road. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The CRF 300L continues to use a steel semi-double cradle frame that balances strength and flexibility. This frame has proven durable and capable under a variety of conditions, from urban commutes to rocky trails. At just 306 pounds curb weight, the 2025 model remains lightweight, giving it excellent maneuverability and confidence-inspiring handling. Suspension has been fine-tuned for 2025. The 43mm Showa inverted front fork and ProLink rear shock offer over 10 inches of travel, making the CRF 300L fully capable of soaking up ruts, roots, and potholes. The updated damping makes a noticeable difference, especially on long trail rides where fatigue from constant vibration can wear down even experienced riders. In terms of wheels, the CRF 300L sticks with the 21-inch front and 18-inch rear combination, the gold standard for off-road dominance. Wrapped in dual-sport tires, these wheels strike a balance between traction on loose terrain and grip on pavement. Braking and safety features. Braking is handled by a 256mm front disc with a 2-piston caliper, and a 220mm rear disc with a single-piston caliper. ABS is standard, but here's the smart part. The system is switchable on the rear wheel, allowing riders to disable ABS for more controlled braking on loose dirt or gravel. This feature alone is a huge plus for dual-sport enthusiasts who demand precision off-road. Whether you're descending a loose trail or braking hard in the rain, the CRF 300L provides ample stopping power and confidence. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has paid attention to comfort in the 2025 CRF 300L, especially for longer journeys. The revised seat padding, combined with the upright riding position, wide handlebars, and narrow midsection, make it more comfortable than most other dual sports in its class. The bike's slim profile allows easy leg reach to the ground, even with the 34.7-inch seat height. For riders who find that height intimidating, Honda also continues to offer the CRF 300L low seat version, with a reduced seat height of approximately 32.7 inches, without sacrificing ground clearance too much. The LCD digital instrument cluster is simple but effective, showing all the essential data: speed, RPM, fuel, trip meter, and gear position. It's readable in direct sunlight and adds a modern touch without being overly complicated. Fuel economy and practicality. One of the standout features of the CRF 300L is its excellent fuel economy. Riders can expect around 70 to 75 miles per gallon, depending on terrain and riding habits. With a 2.1-gallon fuel tank, that translates to roughly 150 miles per tank, more than enough for a weekend adventure or daily commute. Because it's street legal in most regions, the CRF 300L makes an excellent commuter bike, especially for those living in areas with dirt roads or rugged terrain. It's also affordable to maintain, with parts widely available and Honda's reputation for reliability adding long-term value. Who should buy the 2025 CRF 300L? The CRF 300L is ideal for a wide range of riders. For beginners, it offers a forgiving learning curve, manageable power, and lightweight handling. For experienced off-roaders, it serves as a reliable and capable trail bike. And for commuters or weekend warriors, it bridges the gap between dirt and asphalt in a way few bikes can. If you're someone looking for an adventure bike that won't break the bank, the CRF 300L deserves a serious look. It's not about brute force or high-end luxury. It's about reliability, simplicity, and versatility, all wrapped in Honda engineering. Pricing and availability. As of mid-2025, the MSRP for the Honda CRF 300L sits around $5,750 depending on region and dealer markup. The low-seat variant is priced similarly, and the CRF 300L Rally, which comes with additional touring features like a larger tank and windscreen, starts closer to $6,250. Units are already arriving at dealerships, and demand tends to be high. If you're interested, it's worth checking local availability and securing one sooner rather than later. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF 300L continues to be one of the most balanced and practical dual-sport motorcycles on the market. While it doesn't bring radical changes, the fine-tuning in suspension and comfort shows that Honda listens to its riders. Whether you're hitting the backwoods, commuting through traffic, or just enjoying a weekend cruise, the CRF 300L stands out as a bike that does it all, and does it well. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Updater Pro. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Honda CRF 300L, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future updates. Got questions or own a CRF yourself? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, ride safe and stay updated.